And now guys, I would like to speak about numbers. We have two types of numbers, integer and float. And it's very simple. Integer is a whole number. So if you write something like, you don't have to write print, okay? This is integer as well. And I will just write it in print. So if you write something like this is integer for Python, okay? Because it means, we spoke about it, this is string for Python. But without quotes, it's integer. So integer just simply means it's a whole number, okay? For example, something like this. After that, we have the second option, or the second type, and it's float, okay? It's a decimal number. If you write the decimal number, for example, like this, typically there is a decimal point. Be careful, because there is no decimal comma. Every time there is the point or the dot, decimal dot, okay? So 7.3, for example. 8.2, for example, is a float as well, because there is a decimal number. And for example, this is a decimal number as well, okay? So be careful, because this is integer, because this whole number. This is a decimal number, okay? So it means it's float. And of course, you can do all the math operations with it. We already seen it, like 10 plus 3. And you can see that it's 13, okay? And here as well, something like print 3.5 plus 5 point, I don't know, 3. Okay, I will run it, 8.5. Okay, and that's typical, of course, for numbers. So the conclusion is we have two types of numbers. Okay, integer, whole number, and float, it's a decimal number.